Hi everyone, this is Neha Chauhan, founder and CEO Aviotron Aerospace. Under the umbrella of Aviotron Aerospace, we have a beautiful 360-degree experiential learning ecosystem, which we call Aerobay. Now, the whole vision of Aerobay is to create that 360 ecosystem right from student academics, integrating it with different technology concepts. It could be any different futuristic domain, right from aerospace, drones, e-vehicle, artificial intelligence, marine technology, where design is the key core element of the whole ecosystem. We take over the school where we set up the industrial grade labs, so that is K-12 schools. These labs are very, very advanced with the industrial grade engineering marvels prototype, such as wind tunnel, CNC machine, 3D printers, planes and drones and whatnot. Once the student go through the whole process of creating and building that principle on the design thinking ecosystem, our goal is how do we provide the industrial grade exposure. And at the end of the program, we create a digital portfolio for every child through blockchain based technology. This digital portfolio helps students create a complete vertical, a complete portfolio of the things which they have designed, coded, worked on artificial intelligence. Later on, they can go to any university and validate it. That portfolio plays a very, very important role. With time, because we want to go out on the global expansion, is integration of our learning management system. Along with our all the machineries, which 80% of the machineries are in-house designed and manufactured by us. LMS is also designed and developed by the whole team. And through the power of AI, we'll be able to assess students individually on different segments based on their creativity, design thinking, mathematical thinking, and entrepreneurial skill. And through the integration of our AI-enabled LMS, we try to establish the whole ecosystem right from academic to the industrial grade level under one roof. Thank you.